Alright guys, so I wanted to explore like an abandoned university here, and I was asking the people who own the hotel if it is safe to go there. And they told me it isn't, because there are many bad people who are, I don't know, like chilling in this abandoned place, I don't know. And also the woman said I really shouldn't go alone there. Let me take off the hoodie first because it's super hot. Super sexy, huh? So this is where we are going, and I was just told that there are many people living there who like sell drugs or just from the streets, so it's very dangerous to go alone and you really shouldn't do it. So yeah. Ok, ¿vamos? Perfecto. Sí.
¿Subimos o vamos para allá?
Ok.
¿Subimos o vamos para allá?
Ok. Okay, so we shouldn't go there, he said. Pero por ejemplo, en la noche es peligroso para gente que viven aquí también.
Claro, se podría decir que sí.
Wow. ¿Puedo ver eso? So scared that someone will just jump out of nowhere. No one here, it's good. This has to be, this was a beautiful place before it was abandoned. Why is there water coming down? So this place has been like abandoned for about 10 years now, and it looks like it's already abandoned for like 50 or 60 years. Holy shit. He also said like in the night even he wouldn't come here, or like the people who live here are also like in danger, but during the day it's there, the people like are not here or something. Yeah. So in the night people come here to do drugs, apparently. It looks like a place that would happen.
al río.
Ajá. Es lo mismo de que, sí. It's so sad. It's really a shame this place was abandoned. I will show you pictures of how it looked before it was abandoned. It was beautiful.
Toda esa parte.
¿Eso también es una parte de la universidad?
También. Cuando funcionaba, era una piscina grande.
Ah, una
Desde
piscina.
acá, sí, todavía.
Ah,
Una piscina grande era.
wow.
Iba hasta para abajo, hasta un estero que hay abajo.
So there was like a huge swimming pool when this was working here. I'm really trying to make some more like cinematic footage, which I normally do, or to like in addition. It's just not possible. Wow, what a place.
Esa era la piscina.
Wow.
Era sumamente grande todavía. Había
Ajá.
las bibliotecas.
Ah, esos son las bibliotecas.
Claro, allá como te registrabas para entrar allá.
Ah, ok,
para
claro.
dar el ingreso.
Unbelievable that this place was shut down. Cannot tell it often enough, but it has to have been really beautiful. Just insane place. But also like really doesn't fit in here. It's like just in the Amazon rainforest in Tena. Wow.
Piscina allá.
Ah, there you see it, yeah. You have to check this out too later. ¿Es posible que ir acá también?
Esta es la moto.
Also there are people there right now.
Está allá. Todo eso.
Ah, there. Wow, this is huge. Ah, acá también, sí.
Sí, todo esto es como unas 2 hectáreas de esto.
Wow,
2 hectáreas de terreno.
12 hectare. Oh, this doesn't look healthy. Man, one slip and you fall down. Look at all those glass pieces. It's unbelievable. Not one single. Well, look at this.
Y bajaban a la piscina. La piscina era hasta el filo de ahí. Todo
Oh, really? So like there ended the piscine, the pool, and you just like walk out of here into the. It's awesome. think I will leave a lot of the video footage uncut here. I think that's pretty interesting. The people, like, they robbed all of, like, the light cables and the sinks, all the stuff. Wow. Holy shit. It was like a lecturing. There was like the... What the hell? It's like really a theater cinema. We have the projector here. Probably. Yeah. Ah, yeah. Everything robbed.
Así mismo caminos todo.
Yeah.
Sino que está como monte.
And it looks like out of an Indiana Jones movie. What a place. Oh, this is muy bonito. It's unbelievable.
Puente. De la vuelta llega allá.
Yeah.
Ya salimos por ahí.
It's insane. It's so beautiful. Really, like I said, something like out of an... I feel like an Uncharted. I think this puts it good. It's like something out of Uncharted. Ah, yeah, claro. I have no idea what this was. It's unbelievable. It's like 10. You have to imagine 10 years, and already nature took back so much of it in only 10 years. Es muy, sí. Wow, this is... What an insane university this was. Holy shit.
Subamos arriba para ver todo.
Sí. It's unbelievable.
Bueno, vale, está inundado.